The City of Kingston has undertaken major enhancements to the Mentone Lifesaving Club foreshore precinct, which is located on Beach Road opposite Naples Road in Mentone. The project includes a new Lifesaving Club building, a large car park, new walkways and cycling path, plus a major upgrade to the old stormwater drain. The stormwater drain services a 60-hectare area that extends all the way up to Balcombe Road, helping to prevent flooding around the Mentone train station, shopping precinct and residential streets. The upgrade has seen the installation of our largest ever litter trap to prevent rubbish and pollutants from washing into the bay. The litter trap works by deflecting water into a trap and creating a whirlpool so that the litter can drop into a large storage system that can hold up to 20 cubic metres. The litter trap is then emptied using a large vacuum hose and the rubbish is transported to a waste facility. Council has installed a total of 20 large litter traps around the city, with more planned. This is one part of our integrated approach to managing stormwater. By working together, we can collectively help to protect our waterways and the bay for the enjoyment of current and future generations.